Christina, you say tomorrow, I want to give her.
You see that? And his hand just came back right there. Look. Actually, I have to move my camera. Look. His hand actually went forward and came back. Right? I'ma stop the video. His hand actually came back. So, and look how close it is after it came back. Right? Watch this. Make me play it back so I see what me I say. And no cap. No cap, bro. Alright, look at this.
You say tomorrow, I want to give her a makeover.
You see that? Y'all seen that? And then this girl now, she used that hand to shield his hand. You see, this what she did is like she's protecting her family. I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. Yeah. So watch out, my people. We're gonna finish it up. I'm gonna touch it black one more time from top for look at your own discretion, you see me? And at your own will, using your own foresight. Yes, deep third eye sight. You see me I say? That sight in there. Yeah, microscopic sighting and visualize. Because what you know? So the people them we met a post here, it look like them in league with the whole Epstein thing too, cause why they had to put that dolly word right there and all of that mecha thing right there. Like right there so everything is hidden. Like they must say, yo, we need to black out this. Cause normally when people make caption on a post like this, them put it at the top or way down at the base of the post. Allow me to tell. Right? But then put it right exactly where Ding Dong and there for sure you say they're all in cahoots, it seems. You see what I say? With this and them see what I go on. This is my page and the first post here you seeing. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. Don't bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give me the bird can't team so me stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, list PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every reality, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, my people, mad thing. Who said that? We have been a say that from day one. Them thief for style, them in my style. You see me? Yeah, bruh. Watch you know? So, here we go now. Cause there's a lot of our entertainers, as me I tell you, them not so wise up here, so you know, or quick. You know what I mean? Cause I see that video yeah, and me knowing ding dong certain way, Zane, me knowing ding dong certain way, me know how him stay one way where him love testing powers, you know. Zane, him love testing powers, and him always like I think hard for stand out in many different occurrences. Like him brain ever work. And you'll see him a move fast, you know, like him a get things done fast. Because most of what him do, him have a pattern over the years where him develop. You know what I say? Now, we're not really talking about nothing specific when I say all of that. But with this video now, me show you say, them artists you have to be careful because them not so wise, but them smart. Because you see them move smart right here, so one way possibly, allegedly. See him? Because when I pick up, you know, it's like him a play around the girl chest area, you know. You see me? When you look how him a play around the girl chest area, because you see, them money them drink alcohol every day, you know. So don't feel no way, you know. More time, them say a one catty were young, cause them watch that, you know. Them entertainer, yeah, them love the young girl them. You get me I say? The youngest a girl them where them seen at the party where them can get them hands span sometime. You get me I say? We been living the hype life, the star life, and all of them life there. You see me? Wild life, all kind of style life we've been living. You see me? So we know them thing. And we know says like Ding Dong a test himself. And them get so, you see through them a do it for years. It's like them know if do it in the crowd, you know, and we, you know, them know if kind of sneakingly do something, you know. Zane? Because watch what Ding Dong now kind of play around our chest area. You know, she look young too, you know. She look like she just left Champs the air. You see me? Like she just left Champs the air. She probably old enough because Jamaica age of consent at 16, you know. But I believe as a man like Ding Dong, you know, him fair be more mindful and I look for approach more girl like Daima type. You see me? Yeah, Daima. You see the Daima girl them you know say, yeah, them woman they fully mature. You see me I say? Yeah, cause you know why your name pan them little thing you know with the young gal and you know, but me I show you what me I talk about. Because I could have swear so I see him Anna scathed across her bosom, you know. Then I'm say, no man, let me look pan this. Cause I know Ding Dong stay one way. You see me, I test him power and I try drag her in one way, you know, and thing. So possibly, you see me? Which my detector depan mostly say that him depan. Mostly. You see me, I strongly believe say that him depan. I kind of reel her in one way and I test the water. And him so courageous too, around so much people. Want look like him a black out the camera. You know what I mean? Because I know say he's being filmed from behind, white on the behind. But look at it. Look at his hands that is on her shoulder now. I want you follow through. Alright, hold on. You hear him say? Look at that. Hold on. I don't know why it has skip up so. I'ma just delete about 2 gig. Forget some space. And it's still a skip. Hold on, I want you watch him man closely, you know. Cause I hope I not miss nothing. Cause it has skip a while ago. Hello boy skipper. With this some fest. You see, he must skip past filmness, you know. He must skip past filmness because guess what? I not really get no time to get around to film vlog yet, you know. Cause I see people are beat him and I love what I see. It make me feel like I not have to do the work. But I gotta do the work same way, do the dirt, you see me? Because I'm violate Joe. If I violate Vibes Cartel, after Vibes Cartel I play your music. After Joe, Zane say what him say about Skipper. After he was being asked, and his name was, Skipper name was brought up by Anthony Miller. Right? I don't know why these artists and so much people, because we seen Deva Brat or Zebra Brat, if we call him, you know, Zebra Brat. We see Zebra Brat get offended and attack Vibes Cartel in him trashy 50 what a song them where and I'll do nothing. Make him have to run, go back a far into the nursery homes where him work 9 to 5. You know what I say? So him get offended because Vibes Cartel was asked about his charge, right, from the fix, Harry them and thing. And Vibes Cartel answer. But it look like them people that want when people ask them about them, it's like them no want the people them say, yo, man, not talk about no artist, you know. No want them come, no move, you know, skipper, hey. Move. That's why, you see it? I tell you, ego lead them astray and them a run down cloud. I don't know, so there's bad cloudy bad weather bring. Like when you get to a sting, them career cloudy like bad weather bring. And on me them tell suck your mother at the bag of him and them was scatter bring. You see me show you? You see it? Don't you still stand by them lyrics there cause it's still there up. You see me? So my this scatter same way. Watch you know? So look on him on, more you watch. My youth ya on you now. Zin, ding dang.
Christina.
I forgot slow it down when me I edit. Watch him on, you know, you see him left hand pan our right shoulder. Zin, that more you watch. Zin, watch it, you know.
It's a tomorrow.
Alright, you see the hand there now? Look where his thumb is. His thumb is down by, and it's very close. Trust me, that is look like it touch. Look at where his hands are. Look how close it is. And his hand is like this. Let me show you how his hand is postured. It's postured like this. So, because he had it like this on her shoulder, but no ding dang touch people. Like, he would have touching on your shoulder, so. You know, and say, yo, Zin. But you see, she now, it makes sure gently and more meticulously have him on her shoulder one way, because when you deal with woman, different from when you deal with man. Because if you put your hand on the next man's shoulder for chat to him, you're more rigid. But when you do it to a female, you're more gently and fragile. You know what I say? So look at where his hand is. That is definitely touching, but the top part, these areas, definitely touching. And when artists do these things, you know, because her breast push out, you know, and it seems she isn't wearing any bra. You know what I'm saying? So when the artists them like ding dong do this, it's like a psychological communication with the girl. Zin? All we must say to her with the people in my ear, that isn't important for him. And he wants to make that clear to her. And you know, if him get a bad signal, him probably quit from going that close again. Zin? But if him not see no bad signal and I saw them man ya stay, if them not see no bad signal, because sometimes the girl them terrified, you know, and it's not that the girl them no want give a bad signal, but like them in their mind, they must say, what is him a do? You know, and them not really want woman or more, you know, them more, what's the term now? I know the word up on the tip of my tongue. Reserve. Women are more reserved when it comes to, you know, expressing anger. They're more reserved. So them not go quick. Worse when somebody where them look up to, where them know good, where them expectation is high of. You know what I mean? So you can see she look upon him, you know, and the look, all right, this is when him just reached down there, so, you know, this seems to be the first attempt we him attempt there, so. See him? So, the first attempt we met now, you're not going to really see the reaction upon her face so fast, and they might shock till you're not even aware, say, it is an reaction, right, from feeling uncomfortable when you're looking these female, because I see it. And these are the things we are talking about, you know, say Pitney not really safe for Jamaica, nowhere still, you know what I mean? Because they're predators all around, you know, that preys on them. And there was my say, man, ding dong a man will drink up him liquor every night. You get me? And we not really see ding dong or show up him family, being around him family like a family man. Even though we say Gaza, Zine, we know, me personally know, say, being a man is a man who him not go do that. Him more responsible. Because you know why? Him is a family man one way. Him, even though he might have bad reputation about him taking care of his kids, but being have the pitney them way him like and way him take care of properly and well, because him just love certain pitney way him have more than some, it's obvious. So the fact say more is a family man than ding dong, you go find out say being a man not go really have them ways you have to make them mistake. Yeah. Cause remember, being a man, him doing the thing for long years still, which it made him mistake them from early out and grow past them, him grow for learn, not for make them again. You get what I say? And now we see being a man act the most responsible. Yeah. Now we see being a man act the most responsible out time entire career of him being responsible. Now is the time we see him most responsible. Even though him still I get trouble, cause we see him go on an alkaline party and him and him dog them a take alkaline words from the song where alkaline a sing like a him them go for. You see? So being a man entertainer, and as bad as being is, you know what I mean? Being in not really make them thing. So as Ding Dong now, Ding Dong need to show some family time, because you see when you have your family structured and you're a family oriented type of nigga, then you have to care about other woman. Majority of the man them, not all of them, because you have man where have them family, look like them love them family and still go to road, go abuse picnic and abuse other woman. You see me I say? So look right here, so. Watch it. Yo, tell me same and not to respond it a while ago. Yo, you have to watch under him elbow a while ago, You see me I say, look at where one of his finger is. Right there, so at the top of her, that would be a right chest, a right breastises. You get me? That is piece of his finger there. You know what I mean? And look how close he is, and he's putting forward his hand. You want to make sure say you stay far from being labeled as some pervert. And Jamaica full of pervert, and enough man thinks it's okay for perverted towards woman. Like enough Jamaican man thinks that it's cool and it's okay to be a pervert towards woman. See it, Alkaline did say it, say me a pervert. That you see all them thing that's why me can't say Alkaline. The universe has shown me. You see me? Because guess what going on now? Let me tell you, and that is why enough of them hate and gay guys so much and hate Batman. Because guess what? You see what them a do and what them know them a do is harmful. And them know said the young girl what them a prey upon zin. Them know say it's harmful. Them know say it's not good. Them know say a dirty life and careless life thing them that and some waste man thing. Zin fear prey upon a little girl and them thing there. Zin or fear misconduct yourself around woman in a estual way. You know what I mean? Like the whole misconduct thing. You don't know if act right. You know what I mean? So them feel like them know say what them a do is not good enough. Them it's like them not feel good about it. So hear what them do now. In order for them feel good, them will rather hear people burn gay men and Batman and because that now give them like sort of some self-peace. Because they must say, wait, we are not the worst. The crowd are burn out the worst. That's why enough people will burn out gay people and Batman. Them are either enough of them are rapists, enough of them are some worse people than you get me? But them are keep for them sin under the quiet. See? So them know say Jamaican quick for round up and burn a fire upon the LGBT. So these rapists and exploiters, seeing molesters. Me not say Ding Dong is a molester, but him need to be more careful of him action, cause him a star. Zin, and if we hear nothing say Ding Dong do nothing, we can have this and say boy Ding Dong no for conduct himself around woman. You know what I mean? Even if she not have a problem with it, him can go do it to all a white girl where she different. You know what I mean? She just want you to do something like that for breakdown in tears and them thing there. So after Ding Dong best interest in your talk, is what I say. And then him goodly all want say, no, me not to talk up to white girl. When me a perform on white girl, if me a go use them as a part of my performance, me make sure deal with them different, but you still can't say that or do that or work like that. You're not supposed to deal with none of them like this. You get me? I say, unless your personal bitch. Is what I say. And she look very young. As I say, she look like a champ she left From. You see it? So, big man thing. I have some girls still where we're aware of, would know say young, look young like a schoolers, but them all. You see me I say? Yeah, and makeup can do all of that and Ray. You see me? But this show me say this is just a girl where, people know her and Ding Dong not really know her fully, but him see her, him know her ratings, him see her ratings and know say her thing up one way. You see me I say? So him kinda show her off one way. You see me? Which I not him just a flavor up the dance, but what him a do, coming like him get one, him get an idea for kinda, cause me say when liquor talk, feelings and your blood and the wood start work and your mind and your dickhead and everything just start go haywire. You know what I mean? Because we are man to know the thing go, you see me? Yeah, but we're more responsible and them thing that we know if remember, me doing me talking a previous vlog so me a little you one of my Rasta Virgin get lied on because one girl want him mosquito belt in the 90s. So she tell her parents and lie say him grape her cause him never give her the belt. You see how girl wicked? You see me I say? So I just one of them thing there. You see it? And him end up the couple nights at jail and then them find out say the girl tell lie because her story never add up. And the dog fly out. Time I say, yo, him no one day at Jamaica. And up to now, it still scar him record. Because when him a travel and them thing there, it is a certain thing. Yeah, my people, see? So I me telling you about my bridging the rest where the girl tell lie upon him and it affect him. You see me I say him reputation. You see me because him a travel from my baby and them thing there. So this so me I do, ding dong, I go see it like say me I fight him and him fans them. See, but me I show you how to take precaution properly. Because even at the camera, if the girl have the camera right now, this as evidence. If she for come out and say, ding, she never like how ding dong, I use him hand spanner and them thing there. And you see where him on position. And me knowing ding dong is a man where me not say, me know him as a man where I got do them thing often listen, but me know him as a man where love testing powers from people. For see how connected you are as a fan to his music, him dancing, him influence, or him personally, you see me? Yes, so you go hear him call her name, Zin. You go hear him call her name, and after him call her name, right now him Anna go up on her shoulder, the right side of her shoulder. Then him a call her name, and look where him Anna go, and look how close it is. It possibly touching, and he stayed there. Because pull up back the video, he stayed there for a while, the entirety almost of the video. And you go see where this little family of the girl Christine what she want name, who ding dong seemingly, it's like it might make you feel uncomfortable. And she may say, I said this already, she may say it's okay and she wasn't uncomfortable. But you know what I mean? If anything go left, them can change them word. I'm not say when me talk, me not generalize this being her, Me I talk about as a man, you have to know what you have to do when it comes to these young girl too, especially the young girl. See, but woman overall. Is it? You don't want and I'm not sure you're a star and celebrity. Cause if anyhow she forgot whisper to all somebody in them ears later the night or the morning say, say ding dong and that touch up my burst when him talk to me. I'ma feel like say him when I do it, even if she not feel like it when I do it purposely. Even if she actually thinks say you're never conscious of what you do because you're probably intoxicated and whatever. Zin, people the adult them will come out strong and probably want to bring down ding dong. So we just had enlighten people on them thing, especially Jamaican man. Cause we see enough of them do things like this. That's why me I point it out. You get me? And enough time I grew up, even today's time now, me see where enough man make the girl them feel uncomfortable. Assaulting them in this type of friendly way. But it's never friendly. That's actually paradoxical to say friendly because friendly would mean like the two party in agreeable and amicable. You understand? But one party now, I got uncomfortable when I get treated like this. You know what I mean? So look when him call her name and look where him left hand I go. Cause him have him right hand I use the microphone and him left hand about to tap her up on her shoulder and come right down diagonally across her right chest, breast, whatever. Right? So watch it.
Christina, you say tomorrow, I want to give her.
You see that? And his hand just came back right there. Look. Actually, I have to move my camera. Look. His hand actually went forward and came back. Right? I'ma stop the video. His hand actually came back. So, and look how close it is after it came back. Right? Watch this. Make we play it back so I see what me I say. And no cap. No cap, bro. Alright, look at this.
Christina, you say tomorrow, I want to give her a makeover.
You see that? Y'all seen that? And then this girl now, she used that hand to shield his hand. You see, this what she did is like she's protecting her family because she's shorter. Her eyes level, the height of where her eyes are focused was mostly on ding dong level where her family chest area is. You can see that she's tipping right now. Tip on your toe for the hug, you know, girl. She actually a tip on her toe for hug her family. You see me? Tip on your toe for the hug, you know, girl. Tip on your toe for the hug, you know, girl. So you see it? It's like this even show a sign, say, yo, cause this is how ghetto people save them family when them see. Because remember, you know, woman, them care. Remember tell you about enough ghetto girls. And even uptown girls do it. Because a long time ghetto girl do it. Woman all across walk of life do it. Where them care them little younger siblings, right? Or them care friend in their age group. And them use them friend to help them protect them from the man who they're meeting up with or going on a date with. You know what I mean? Just for their safety. Now we see where this girl shield off ding dong on. You see me? Watch again. When Ding Dong said, Christina, and the man come down.
Hold on, Christina, you say tomorrow, I want to give her a makeover. Video to me and make up and watch her.
You see that? You see that? It's like she shield off him on and she cut Ding Dong. That Ding Dong have to say, wait, watch her. She interrupt Ding Dong back so him on. Look how she shield her family bosom. That's how it thing there, you know. See? And then remember, say a camera, so there's a little percentage, there's a little bit of probability and possibility that Ding Dong hands never touched her, right? But there's a higher possibility and probability of what the camera shows that she was definitely touched. You understand? In that area, right? I'm gonna say, like, but black then, at one time in life, like, you know, I won't really see that as no problem. But now we have to, like when I was much younger, you know, we grew a while. But I had learned to adjust. I must say, enough man no adjust, especially the ones them in our age group. Enough were younger too. Enough of them were younger, because enough of them were younger also was raised and are being raised by the ones who haven't changed, who was even older than me. The younger ones are being raised by ones who are in my age group or older, and they have that old mentality, you know, like as if woman is inferior and man is superior. You know what I'm saying? I don't really say it, but we have to respect one and all. You get me? So if you cause so some man make them move to, you know, this is how enough man use as their tactics for get girl. You know, and it work for them. And a lot of times too, they make the woman them uncomfortable until the woman get for understand them, and the woman will probably get for like them too a lot of times. And be like, okay, he wasn't any pervert, he was just, you know what I mean? But you're still a pervert to not be aware. If you're not aware, if that is your excuse. You know what I mean? Because you're unreached, that's for say, look, girl, as a, you know what I mean? Remember now, we're not really talk about ding dong right? So we're talking about some man a road. We saw them look girl. Them on after they on it. Excuse me, miss, and I touch her. You look nice, and you get me, I say? Yeah, yo, what do you tell a lady? Say me not too like when people touch me a road neither, cause she come and touch me, you know. It's me and I say, Ray. And then like me I say, oh, this when me look around, me see say it's a woman, but the first thing was flying on my mind, like me I say, oh, this a touch me. Like that energy there. You know what I mean? So no matter how pretty somebody is, you know why everybody and anybody touch you and put them on pan you. You get me? Yeah, and on a pitney, you know, start make people touch up on a pitney and them thing there. Kiss up on a pitney. You see me? Yeah. So, you see how the girl, remember play this back phone, no? Because I know say you saw the most intriguing. Yeah. So watch you know, my people. We're going to finish it up. But I'm going to touch it black one more time from top phone. Look at your own discretion, you see me? And at your own will, using your own foresight. Yes, deep third eye sight. You see me I say? That sight in there. Yeah, microscopic sighting and visualize. Because what you know? So the people them we met a post yeah, it look like them in league with the whole Epstein thing too, you know. Cause why they had to put that dolly word right there and all of that mecha thing right there. Like right there so everything is hidden. Like they must say, yo, we need for black out this. Cause normally when people make caption on a post like this, them put it at the top or way down at the base of the post. Allow me to tell. Right? But then put it right exactly where ding dong and for sure you say they're all in cahoots, it seems. You see what I say? With this and them see what go on. You see me? The parties them need some better regulation. You see me? That's why we have to allow them to take advantage of how we usually party now, you know, when we see these things. You see me? Because enough of them things I usually go on. Some young girl get carried away with some older men and you know what I mean? It don't look good. We need to be responsible. I remember say when you're there at a party, you have to drink. So adults, so they're there. You see? And then, not because the woman them are adult, no means so we have to deal with them like sneakingly and connivingly and you know? No, we have to deal with them rightfully, righteously, respectfully. All of them are there. Not the wrong R, you know. See me? Like me I tell you, say Vibes Cartel are the same 3R them with the righteous, rightfully. You see me? Yeah. And respectfully. You see me? Vibes Cartel that. You see me? Never brat them know the R. See? Who else? Zebra brat. Two of them, zebra brat. Them are the R. Like killer. Yar, I are the one. Yar. That for them are hard. That's why Vegas say killer do him do when him at 21 or 24 or 26 with a 14-year-old, you see me? Yeah, Mr. Vegas say so. No, don't come for me. Don't forward for me. Go to Mr. Vegas in America. Vegas City. So watch you now. Make we go into this.
Christina, it's a tomorrow.
Look.
I want to give her a
You see where him under? Look at his fingers. His 2 peace sign finger. Right? And you see him and go back and forth, up and down, all around the curve. You see it? And it just not look good. And Ding Dong is a man, me tell you now, multiple times, him love testing powers. This can be a way where he might try to test the girl if should work with him for the night, like some hotel style. But them type of way, yeah, cause enough Jamaicans with celebrity status, this is how them go about doing things too. You see what I say? Feel like say them can take advantage because them no lyrical like Cartel, you know. For say, hello, madam, I love your style. You like a virgin in the sky. Oh, I'm not to testify. You get me I say? Or we no wall gal pan gun pint a night time. We breeze cocky pint. Broke it till it, but me no keep no night. Me resurrect it and shoot it back in a the tight. Black a Cartel woman, them a stand pipe. No fi cocky top high like say them a ride bike. British gal them a blow me like the pie. And I say, Addy me daddy, them love my type. Oh, you fi touch a catty and she never give you. Bumbo clad. Oh, you fi tell her say there's something I fi feel. You see me I say? Simple. Cartel are the man him set them standards like a cartel see what go on out there. And sister them boy they not so lyrical like him. For whisper and for inna the girl them ears and get inna them heart and them thoughts. You see what me I say? Yeah, hombre. Them man they not lyrical like cartel. So them man you take the easier route which will get them in a problem. You see it? Them no want go learn for read some books. Them no want go learn for, the word that are the harder way. But them are got the harder har. You see me? Yar, like some pirates. You see it? So look upon him two peace fingers. But this is not peace what him a bringing up. See him? Him a declare war over the girl Think Star. See that? You see him hand went down? And look how she immediately, this is her family member, immediately swooped in with her hand and saved the day. That is how it a play out. You understand? We can be wrong, but that is how it a play out. Universe attack. That's why I stress the fact on this. Enough man stay, so them need to cut it out. Be more cautious, more careful. You see? What the third C for seal it off. Be more cautious, careful, and courteous. Courteous, right. Yeah, so we always have to seal it up. From find two words we start with the same letter, we can find the third one and return one. Is it? Watch it. You see him hand still there up there a while ago. Watch it. Look at his hand. See? Christina even walk away from him and not go back because she probably uncomfortable with what him just do. She not return like the Jedi. See it? You see it? You see me I show you? Now him say him not like goat. You understand? Because him want things my way, his way, like Usher. My way. When I say go, she's in control. Ooh, CP. 1, 2. Yo, those were the 90s sound, the late 90s sound too. What Usher brought. Yo, that was the first single song I heard from Usher, 98. Like 97, 98. That was crazy. And then Jay-Z and Diddy had that Money Ain't a Thing song, and it was wild, crazy music videos, music, every place was nice, and it was crazy. Yeah, so we gonna end this right now. But y'all be aware of all that. And make sure if you're not soon a friend, inappropriately, touch or dealing with someone who we shouldn't be dealing with inappropriately, make sure you not try save them. See?